continue with our test log analysis tutorial, open the test log CSV in Excel. Column B, you'll notice, is hashtagged out. If we click on the right hand side and hold the mouse key, you'll see two little arrows open up. Drag to the right until you get above width 18. We can then centre that to give ourselves a little bit of breathing space between the columns. Now move on to phase 1 of the analysis. From column B we're going to go to column T by holding the control key and move across to column U. We select both. Navigate to the middle part, click and hold again to drag it over to above 15, which will then give us the IP addresses. We're going to check that all the IP addresses are the same. On this left hand side you will have client IP address at start and the client IP address on completion. These should be the same unless you have multiple computers set up within your test station. Don't worry about the gap, such as this one here. You will see it's just for 1 second and the vehicle details are the same as the one above. This is when the tester has logged back on to complete and pass an MOT. But once you've done this once, you'll see any variations. We're going to move on to phase 2.